Have you run out on ideas on how to make money online? Have you been searching far and wide on how to make money online in the easiest possible way and you just can't find anything? Well, then we think today is your lucky day. You have come across the perfect channel to all of your money-making online problems. We are going to be showing you today how you can earn money in the most fun and easy way possible that you can think of. And I don't think that you're ready for this either. So we want you to sit back, relax, pay attention, learn from this video, and start earning yourself so that you can make yourself some decent money that you can spend and enjoy. Let's go ahead and start the video. Make money by testing games. If you're someone who enjoys gaming, then this method is perfect for you. You will make money through this method by trying out games before they are even released, which we think is pretty cool. So if you're into that, then make sure that you watch this whole video from start to finish so that you don't miss a single detail and you will be able to properly do this method without fail and actually earn your money. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. This method is completely free and it is 100% legit. It is available worldwide, so no matter where you are in the globe, you can join in on this and make money from the comfort of your own home. This method pays you very well, not just $1 or $2, but up to $30 per game. And this method will also offer you more jobs than one if you would like to try, so you have a lot of options. It is very easy as it is fun, and it only takes a couple of minutes. This won't even take hours. Only a couple of minutes, and before you know it, you're already making some good money. Make sure that you follow all of the steps properly so that you can make money right away and do it properly. The first step is to go on your default browser and then go ahead and type in betafamily.com. This is what you should then see on your screen. To actually be able to begin on this website, you're going to have to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and click sign up as testers right over here. You can either sign up with Facebook or with Google or just the normal way to sign up, and then once that is done and all complete, go ahead and click the sign up button and then boom, you're signed up. Once you're done filling all of that up, go ahead and click on Browse Tests. As you can see here, you're going to be brought to all of the ongoing tests that are currently happening. Quality testers make money. Get started right away. So the first thing that you are going to need to do is identify whether or not you are an iOS user or an Android user, because in that way, everything that can be used in iOS or Android gadgets will be the only ones shown to you. So for example, you are an Android user. If you click on any of the categories over here, then all the games that are made for Android will be shown to you so you can try all of those out and then earn from all of that. Now let's click on Android and then click on games. You can actually click from any of the categories, whatever you would like to test out and earn from. But since the focus for today's video is games, then that's what we are clicking on. Now, we can see all of the games being shown to us. Now, if you want to test any of these games out, then all you have to do is simply click on Go to Test Page, and then you will immediately be redirected to the page wherein you're going to test the game out. You will then see the requirements to apply, so make sure that you meet all of those and then go ahead and apply, which basically means to actually apply for that job, which is to test out the game. And then if you are eligible for the job, they are going to send you an email letting you know if you got the job or not, or if you are approved to be the tester for this game, and then get paid. As we mentioned earlier, you can apply on all of these categories if you want, since it's not sure which ones will actually approve your application. So go ahead and try everything if you can, but even if you just want to try the games alone, then there's no problem with that either, because that still earns you some pretty good money and it's a pretty good start. So even if you just start with that, then it's all good. This website is going to be the first step to success in your money-making online journey, so make sure you pay attention because this website needs to be accompanied with other websites that we're going to talk about later in the video, because if you don't stay until the end of the video, then you won't see what else you can do so that you can earn more. The next method would be playgptn.com. As you can see on this website, want to play games and get paid for it? Join us now. If you scroll a bit lower, you will see what is GBTN. It says that players don't ordinarily get to play games before release. The Global Beta Test Network gives players the opportunity to do just that while getting paid for their participation. GBTN is giving everyday gamers the rare opportunity to play games before release, collecting feedback and experience, and get paid while doing so. These play sessions run throughout the year across all continents, with all players playing from the comforts of their own home. We're constantly growing and always looking for new opportunities. Look out for our play sessions featuring all platforms and devices. The players that this website is looking for should be at least 18 years old, can focus well, follow instructions, and provide detailed information in a timely manner, and will maintain professional behavior at all times. Once you think that you're eligible, you can go ahead and register by clicking register now and then filling up all of the sign-up details being asked of you. And once that's all done and completed, then you can go ahead and start testing the games here as well. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now those two websites that we've shown you are pretty good websites to test games and make money off of, so we suggest that you try both. And on the first website that we showed you, if you're interested to go outside of the games category and actually try other categories, then you can go ahead and do that because that will earn you a lot of money as well. So make sure that you dive more into the first website because we believe that it works better than the second website. But they both will still pay you a pretty decent amount of money, so don't worry about that. Now remember that no matter where you are in the world, you can join and make money from these two websites. These websites are 100% free. You don't need any skills or experience or whatsoever, and you don't need to make any cash advancements either. So don't worry about anything like that if you are. Make sure that as much as possible you get these two websites working because you can earn much more money in that way. Although these websites aren't as promising as they look, you should actually give them a try to really know for yourself if these websites don't actually do what is being asked of you. So try them both and follow our steps properly, or else you can mess up and you can possibly not get the money that you are hoping to receive. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.